Hello everyone, today you have joined the DT Creative Elk YouTube channel. How to find and see a Wi-Fi password using CMD or command prompt. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This is super useful to do as you can then go and have the password and go and use it on other devices. So to get started, you want to go to the bottom of your computer and click on search. And open up command prompt, so go and search for it. Right-click on it and click on Run as Administrator. You'll get a Windows security pop-up. Then what you need to do is go and type in netsh and press enter. Next, type in WLAN space, show space profile like so. You can then go and see the different networks. Here you can go and see the Wi-Fi password for as you've gone and joined them before. Next you need to go and type in one space show space profile space. Then enter in the network name. In this case I'll do it with Redmi Note 12 here. Now you need to put in a space and put key equals clear, press enter, and then you can go into key content, and that is where your password is. I can go and see that this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and I can then go and join the network on other devices. I hope you can understand. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.